Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to INXS, and we are going to react to the song Never Tear Us Apart. This will be our first time single take honest listen to this song.
Yeah, it's been a while since we heard In Excess, right? We have heard
this may be the third time.
Third
Third,
time.
I think, yeah. We are going to react to them.
Let's get started. In Excess, Never Tear Us Apart. Okay, might be deep, this one.
Yeah.
Hold on to your horses.
Let's listen to it.
Don't ask me what you know is true. Don't have to tell you I love your precious heart. I was standing, you were there. Two worlds collided, and they could never tear us apart. We could live for 1,000 years, but if I hurt you, I make wine from your tears. I told you that we could fly, 'cause we all have wings, but some of us don't know why. I was standing, you were there. Two worlds collided, and they could never, ever tear us apart. I was standing, you were there. Two worlds collided, and they could never tear us apart. You were standing, I was there. Two worlds collided, and they could never tear us apart. I was standing.
Ooh. This was emotional. This was heartfelt.
Wow, they caught us off guard, both of us this time. I thought that was the best bit of it.
Yeah,
And then the horn comes in.
I already love the song. I love the way it was being sung. And then that saxophone came in and melted my heart every second that it was played. Ah, this was a heart melter. This is a heart melting masterpiece. This is downright romantic, downright endearing, downright beautiful. Ah, that guitar that supplements his vocals.
It's hauntingly good.
It's superb. It's just fantabulous. It's remarkable. It's brilliant.
Oh.
This is like a music lab. You know, this is a music lab. This song, the way it flows, it's so short, but in that brief duration that they put this together, they just hit the jackpot every single second of it. This was beautiful. This was so intense. It made me emotional. By the end of it, I was withholding my tears. This is one of those. I think this must be the second or third song all year that has made me emotional. Wow, this has that connection. You know when someone sings it with heart, someone sings it from their soul, not just their heart, but a combination of the heart and soul. You feel it, and this is what it was here. Vocally, it is one of the best vocals I've heard this month. Maybe top three vocally this month, and all year I would say top 10 this month, top 3 for me. Let's see what Kirti thinks about it in her own way. Let's see what she has to say about the lyrics, the vocals, the music. For me, the icing on the cake was that saxophone. It was already a masterpiece, but that made it even better. It's a song I will be listening to a lot. I'll be playing it a lot. And I must confess, because we are very, very honest, I was standing that bit. I remember it from some movie, some TV show. I definitely have heard that I was standing bit. Just that part. I vaguely remember it, but I do remember it. But the rest of it, wow. Now that I've heard it, it's going to the top of my playlist tonight. Top of my playlist is the very last song we're listening to in today's session. What a great way to end it. Saving the best for last, though we didn't intend it that way, we hardly knew.
Yeah.
It was just our playlist always arranged randomly. Beautiful. Whew.
First, what I have to say for today's recordings and today's reactions, I'll have to mark this date that we are reacting on in the calendar for being one of the best so far, I would say. The best day of reactions, because almost all songs today reacted to have been great in some way or the other.
Yeah.
And this one is great on all parameters. The way this band INXS, the kind of maturity that I can sense.
And when
in
she
them.
says today, the date today is 22nd Saturday, 22nd August Saturday. These reactions may go online 3 days, 5 days. 3 to 4, 5 days down the line, but it's recorded today, 22nd August. So this is a date Kirti will be noting down in her diary,
I have to, because
which she maintains
I would
very
want
religiously.
these songs.
Her diary, and off and on I try and take a peek at it, what she's writing. So today's date will go down in our history books as one of the best days. I would agree completely.
You have to, yeah.
If you listen to all the reactions that we've done today, each and every one of them,
Immensely satisfying.
from Stevie Wonder to U2, from the Earls,
Yeah.
Kirti's favorite songs. Remember then.
Remember them.
Yeah. So wow.
Carpenters. Dinah Ross. I mean, the list goes on.
Yeah. Today was a great day. Great day for us. Hopefully it's also a great day and great days for these reaction videos.
Yeah.
Just by us saying that, I know there's going to be a lot of dislikes coming our way. But thankfully, all those who are watching these reactions will understand we do it with a very pure intention. We want to be as honest as possible. We don't hold back.
Never.
If you just watch our reaction to U2 song just before this, we heard it. If you just watch our reaction, you will know I don't hold back. Kirti doesn't hold back. We have to say something, we say it. I said it was the best band as far as chemistry is concerned, just for listening to that song. You will also agree, if you have music in you, or if you love music and you've invested thousands of hours and dollars in music like I have, you will completely agree that, with everything that we've said, whether whatever Kirti has said or we've said, because it's pure, it's raw, it's real. We are not fake. We are not like 98 to 99% of the reactors on YouTube who listen to music and give their fake, weird, scripted, planned, unethical reviews, and then they have bots and bot views and subscribers and likes, comments, etc. We are not one of them. For us, you know what really gives us sound sleep at night? A job well done. A job well done, truthfully, honestly, sincerely, and with a very pure heart every step of the way. The only reason I can sleep soundly at night, especially me, because sometimes I give a lot of negative reviews in a day, especially after today's session, the next recording session.
Yeah.
If we don't have songs, at least few of them which are similar, you can't blame me. It's not that I have to make that comparison, I have to make that connection. So if it doesn't happen, I will give negative reviews. But it's given with the purest of intentions. It's given so that this is what I like and this is what I don't like. Ultimately, it's our taste, and it may vary between us, and it will definitely vary with your taste. And you should accept that and embrace that honesty and our taste for its uniqueness and its brilliant intensity, because we are intense reactors. And this is a shining example of it. You saw how we both applauded together. That's the chemistry a song like that makes in you. It's not that we have great chemistry as a couple.
Music and reactors.
Yeah, or as counselors, we have great chemistry working together with our clients. But, it can be seen in songs like this. There's no way a fake reactor out there can give a fake reaction to this and not get caught. There's no way those scripted reviewers, the vocal coaches and LIVs and all those guys who give scripted, rehearsed reactions, there's no way they can't be caught when they give a reaction to this. Trust me, if you love music, you will spot them within a minute of this song playing.
Yeah.
And of course, with their pause, it may take 3 minutes to get to that 1 minute of the song.
For me, it goes beyond reactors. For me, it's also the overall music industry and the overall manipulations. And what we both try our level best to rise above the manipulations that have already been done and that may be still continued for certain artists, certain songs. We don't care about the manipulations.
There's a large infestation on this platform. Infestation that is giving this platform a very tainted,
Bad name.
bad reputation right now. Anyone who really loves music and who watches reactions or goes through comments of the original videos, source videos that we are listening to on YouTube, anyone who knows music or loves music deeply the way we both do, they will get it. They will get what I'm saying here. Because there's nothing as fake as YouTube comments. Nothing as fake and as manipulated as YouTube comments. You're talking about Twitter? You think Twitter is fake and manipulated? You haven't read through YouTube comments.
You don't know about Vinod. Vinod was trending in India. You don't want to know about Vinod.
Yeah, that's a different story. Let's not talk about
It's a joke. It's just a joke. And
that's the extent of manipulation and fake comments that happen on this platform.
We get it here. It may come from different places. We get
Anyway,
all of
let's
it
not
here.
move away too much. I have done it.
Talking
I
about,
apologize.
again, I have to get back to this song. This is, you have to give credit when it's due. And this song,
well said,
lives up to all of that.
Hallelujah. In excess, hallelujah.
This is amazing. This is brilliant music and a great song. I can't forget the moment when we both literally suddenly we got a shock. We were caught off guard, and it hasn't happened that many times.
It has happened 4 or 5 times out of 4,500 reactions.
That's
and
the
this
number.
is one of them.
That's the number.
This is one of them.
You can't relive these moments every now and then. They're there.
We can't give a second time reaction to this. If this song doesn't go online, that's it.
Ouch! Don't say that. I don't want to hear
it
that.
It just goes online the way it is because we can't not put this reaction online. Just because it was unclaimed or blocked by the label. You can't do that. This is one of those few reactions where this is why we are here. We are so serious about it. We talk about it so much in our reaction videos. It seems like we are wasting time or taking up time.
And if we're wasting time, I don't understand why those people are here on my channel.
Why are you here on her channel? Yeah, that's right. Why are you here? If you think we are wasting time, buying time.
If both of us waste time, I don't understand the reason why somebody should put them through the misery.
Who's given a reaction video a time limit anyway? You or YouTube? No. It goes, that's the beauty of unscripted reactions. We don't have a time limit like the other guys.
We have no restrictions.
We don't have time limits. Sometimes it's very short, sometimes it's medium, sometimes it's very long. We don't have time limits, and if you watch the reactions, you'll know that. Yeah, so if you don't like us, stay away. But if you love us, like most of you all do, apart from the 2 guys, one sitting there and who have multiple IDs and voice the opinion so strongly with those multiple IDs, and YouTube has no clue or doesn't want to do anything about
They
such
can't
people.
do, couple of people, how many times are they going to deal
But
with
that
it?
couple of people amounts to 20,000
They
people
do
out of 2
contaminate
billion.
the entire
20,000 people out of 2 billion, and that's the infestation.
Is the rotten
Because they
apples
have a lot
in
of
the
time
basket.
in their basements to work and do all this night and day. A lot of time, because that's their work. That's their daily bread. To ruin other people's lives and ruin things for others, that's their
One
bread.
sick fish, Savio, in a pond can make all the fish in the pond sick, and that is what these people are. They're cancerous.
And I must say on a final note, this song was so intense.
Yeah.
So intense. I can, as a counselor and a life coach and a body language expert, of course here we are not seeing their body language,
Yeah.
but based on that experience in those three areas, I can 100% say that in excess and their music must be the most intense music ever created. Intense music ever created. Very intense. Very, very intense.
I had to-
It has such a great degree of intensity, Kirti.
Yeah.
This song, this is intense stuff.
When you were talking about the standing,
And that intensity is beautiful. It's raw, it's pure, it's earthy, it's beautiful, it's relatable, it's relevant, it's remarkably brilliant.
when you were talking about the standing bit, the song and the line, and you said you may remember, it reminded me of only one movie, War of the Worlds, the Steven Spielberg movie.
Yeah.
Tom Cruise and the way the sci-fi and actions and the worlds collide. This song and that movie, visual that effect. And what is that?
The sound of those big machines with those thin, long legs, like daddy long legs,
Yeah, the
much
tripods
longer
or
than
something
daddy
they
long
call
legs.
it. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
sound they make, and then that same sound and similar machines in Scary Movie,
Yeah.
part 2 or 3, I don't know.
Yeah, that is what this reminded me of when the collision of the world was said. Anyway, enough said. I guess you get the point. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us so far.
And thank you for being here till this minute.
This minute, this
Possibly the
second,
15th minute of this reaction video.
maybe more.
15 minutes of your time spent with us, spent listening to this song and hearing our honest, sincere views. You deserve an applause as well. It's not easy. On this platform where it's full of fake reactions, to be on a reaction like this, which is open, sincere and honest, for 15 minutes or more is itself an award-winning thing.
2 years ago, YouTube was promoting those ADHD something, the toy something. I don't know why did they
The
want the
spinners
world,
or
the world to
Finger spinners.
have this kind of a disorder where they were promoting that thing very, very aggressively. And I think world decided they don't suffer from ADHD anymore.
Yeah, they got the most disliked video of all time
Yeah.
for that video, by the way.
Yeah.
Till then.
So you can't push
till that
things
period.
on people. You cannot
Yeah.
impose things on people.
Yeah, the YouTube end of the year video, it got
Yeah.
the most disliked video.
And with that spinning thing.
So all those things don't work.
Weird thing.
Don't work. And the guys at YouTube, if you're listening, they
No
don't
imposition.
work. They don't work. Be real. Be yourself. Be honest.
Connect with people.
Be sincere.
Not just with the algorithm, but real way.
Trends and all these fake things, they may work for a while, but even that working for a while is a lot of hard work for you guys, because I know how hard you must be working to manipulate it and get it to where it has reached. A lot of hard work.
Even real numbers can be just as good.
Anyway, that's it for this one. Too much intensity from us, especially from me in this reaction video. Don't blame me. Blame in excess. Blame in excess. I don't want to be torn apart from this song and this reaction. I'll remember this one for a long time. That's for sure.
Never tear us apart. Thank you for watching.